Changing a side mirror on my Mitsubishi Lancer 2015. Super easy, supposedly. Let's pull this cap off. There's three 10mm bolts that need to come off, and supposedly the mirror will just come right off. I have the new replacement one right here. It's a little bit further in. The two lower ones are in the way of the door panel. Okay. Unclip that guy. Get your 10mm wrench. This should pop out. Get your new mirror. Put that in the hole. Line that up. And we're going to put the little 10mm screws back. Not screws, but bolts. So after these three are tightened, I'm going to put that back in and make sure it clicks. Line up these two tabs, the holes, and that one with that hole. That should do it. There's a little cover you have to put in after. Two clips. We're gonna need two hands to do this. That's it. After it goes in, sits pretty flush. I've already tested it, it works. This is the TYC part number 6580231 or 34006-831. It does have a little bit of a different texture. The size is also a little different. You see, this is more curved around and this is more angled. But it does fit, and I'll show you the mirror as well. The mirrors are a little bit different as well. This is the label on the box. So it actually is for a 08 to 14 Lancer. Mine is a 15. and that probably explains why it's a little bit different. If you see that mirror, it's got a little angle there, but it does work, and it was only 30 some bucks.